Hi there, hope you're doing good. So this is Sajid, and I'm here with an update. So I was just making sure that everything is working fine on both of these files, IG reach out, and Loom responsive. I saw something on the Loom responsive that the formula is not giving you the result, but it should, because I think your one of your team member, or maybe more, they are following still the same procedure of entering data manually in here. So if I'll move this data manually entered in, let me remove the, let me add few rows. So if I'll add few rows at the top, you will see that the formula has spitted out all the results, but it should. So this is one thing. My observation is that team members are still putting the data manually, whereas they should go on the IG tracker, and there they should mark it as a warm lead. And here you will see all the data in here. Whatever the data will be in here will also get transferred on this sheet automatically. So no need to input the data manually if you are taking only warm leads in here. One thing. The second thing is that I just saw that on the IG tracker, the Insta links were not there. So I added a formula on E710 cell. Now this will give you all the Instagram IDs so that you can, it will basically take the truncated names and it will create an Instagram link, which will automatically fill in. You don't need to enter it manually in here in this cell as well. So if I'll go down at the bottom, you'll see wherever there is no truncated name, there will be no link. But if there is any truncated name available, then it will automatically create a Instagram link, and you have nothing to do on this column E. Now you can hide these two columns, but still the website URL is still remaining. So that part has automated too. And now you just need to mark a warm lead, and that will go in here immediately. Then I was thinking about that instead of using a formula, because I think you are planning to add manual data and the formula both at the same places, which is not possible. So what I'll do, I have created another script what that will allow you to just go through this menu and activate the automation one more time. Once you will do it, what will happen, as soon as you will mark any lead, warm lead here, which will get automatically transferred in here as well, then after or within 1 minute of that transfer, and a script will run automatically, and it will take any of the new rows available in here. For example, if there are like this is what will happen. So if there will be new rows, there will not be any serial numbers. The code will identify, okay, these are the new entries, and the code will transfer all of these entries manually at the bottom of the last available entry. So that formula will not be required anymore. So you can enter data manually here, as well as the sheet will automatically present as well. So this is my second solution. Please let me know if you want to implement that, and I'll do that then. Take care. Bye.